Okay, getting started, I am prepping my eyes with the Urban Decay Eye Primer Potion and working that on my lids. Then I'm taking Unique's blending brush. Taking that, I am applying the shade Discreet all over my crease and transition shade area and blending back and forth in windshield wiper motions. Then I am taking the shade Alluring and I'm also working that in my crease. This is going to be the start of our Christmas colors. So obviously using a red and blending that back and forth on top of the other shade. It's pulling a little too dark for me, so I put Witty on top of that just to lighten it up a bit. And going in with our main lid shade, which is Inconceivable. I'm sorry, that was so dumb, but I had to. I'm taking our Deluxe brush, and with this shade, since it is a shimmer, I like to pat it on, then sweep it across the lid. I wanted it a little bit more intense, so I took Unique's Rose Water and the same brush. I put the eyeshadow on the brush, then spritzed it with the rose water to intensify this eyeshadow. Next, I'm taking the shade Gullible and Unique's crease brush. I'm applying this eyeshadow in my outer corner. I'm applying it in a V shape and then blending it in to match up with the green shade. Grabbing my favorite liquid eyeliner in the shade Perfect. It's Unique's Dip and Draw eyeliner. I'm doing a small winged eyeliner. Then taking Unique's Touch Glorious primer. This also is a favorite of mine. It's just a good all-over face primer for any type of skin, and I love it. So I just apply that all over my face and let that sit for about 2 minutes. Then taking my Touch Liquid Foundation brush and my favorite foundation, my Ride or Die, the Touch Liquid Foundation in the shade Lace. I blend this out by buffing it into my skin until I get the coverage I want. This is medium to full coverage, so you can build upon the coverage to get the look you desire. Then grabbing the Liquid Foundation's favorite best friend, the Skin Perfecting Concealer, and I'm applying that under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and my chin for some highlighting and concealing. And because my eyes tend to get a little crepey, I like to set my under eye concealer with translucent setting powder. So I'm taking the Behold setting powder and this Luxie brush and just doing a light dusting under my eyes. Going back and finishing up the eyes, I am taking the shade Fervent and Unique's liner shader brush, the liner side, and lining from my outer corner just till about my pupil with that dark shade. Then taking the shade Alive, and I'm running that from my inner corner to the shade Fervent to kind of meet up. Then I'm going to go in with the super fun green eyeliner in the shade Prosperous, and I'm going to awkwardly line my waterline. And taking this random crown brush that I have, I'm taking the shade Optimistic and popping this in my inner corner. This is a super bright white, and it's perfect for making this look stand out. Because this is a super glam look, I am going to contour with the Loose Mineral powder in Fierce and taking Unique's contour brush. If contouring's not your jam, then just warm your face up a little bit with some bronzer and call it good. I'm not going to go too in depth of details about how to contour because that's for another video and another time. Jumping into my favorite blush, this is the Milani Luminoso blush. I'm taking Unique's Powder Puff brush and putting this on the apples of my cheeks and brushing back. And because I want to look like a Christmas ornament, I am taking Unique's Luminizer in the shade Iridescent and brushing this on the high points of my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, and my Cupid's bow. Am I glowing to the heavens yet? Then taking the same brush I used for my inner corner, I am brushing this iridescent on my brow bone to make them pop. And to add extra oomph, I'm adding the Battington lashes in Monroe. If you're not into lashes, just do a couple coats of mascara and call it a day. Then to bring it all together, I'm using Unique's Epic Mascara and applying this to my top lashes and to my bottom lashes. And to complete this look, taking the Duet lipstick in Think Twice, I am applying this obviously to my lips and smudging them together. And then with a little magic and a lot of hairspray, boom, I'm all ready. That completes this tutorial, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you later.